head with the elastic strap. Pull the tabs of the strap to tighten. Breathe normally. Even though oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you're traveling with a small child or someone who's acting like one, secure your own mask first before assisting others. Please don't forget to remove your face covering before using the oxygen mask. Life vests for both adults and children are located under your seats. If required, remove the vest from the container and tear open the package. Place the vest over your head with the panels on your chest. Secure the strap around your waist and fasten it in front. Ensure the life vest is tightly secured by pulling on the loose strap. As you exit the aircraft, inflate your vest by pulling down on the red inflation tab or going into the red tube at the top. All life vests have a water-activated locator light. Flight attendants will distribute life vests for infants if needed. In a water landing, there are 4 slide rafts located at the main doors. Please securely fasten your seatbelt, stow your tray table, and all carry-on baggage as the flight attendants prepare the aircraft for takeoff. Allegiant is a non-smoking airline located throughout the cabin are non-smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Smoking, vaping, and the use of all tobacco products are prohibited at all times. Federal regulations require all passengers to observe these signs and comply with crew member instructions. It is a federal offense to tamper with, disable, or destroy a laboratory smoke detector. This flight is under the command of Captain Isinger and First Officer Butters. We're pleased to have you with us. We'd like to thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy your flight.
Once we're in the air, you can take Takeoff. Yeah. I think Takeoff.
The cabin lights will be dimmed for the flight. There's a reading light button, air vent, and flight attendant call button located in a panel above your seat.
me out of the cabin for departure. Thank you.
Cabin secure.